Hi, I'm Lynette Schaefer, and in this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing EiKO's LH1. So here we have EiKO's LH1, and this, of course, replaces the LLH series and the LHB series. This is a power-coated die-cast aluminum housing that is extremely solid and will resist any type of bowing. Now, as you can see by the middle model configurator, which of course can be found on the spec sheet, there are lots of options ranging from fixed wattage and fixed DCT to power set and field set. This is available up to 480 volts and also has 0 to 10 volt dimming. Now, there are various factory installed cord lengths and ends, as well as additional surge protection. As a reminder, not all configurations are possible, so please refer to the spec sheet under the available model section for available models. Now, this fixture is controls ready and is compatible with a number of field installed standalone or network lighting controls using the screw-in receptacle. Or if you want to, I suppose you can also use a 1/2 inch knockout, but that screw-in receptacle makes it super easy. In the box, you do get V-hooks and also aircraft cables, but other accessories include the V-hook and chain kit, pendant thread rod, and surface mount kit. There's also an optional wire guard, and if you're going to mount a battery backup, there is also a Z bracket to allow that to happen. Now, speaking of batteries, it's compatible with 3 external battery backups. And again, we do ask that you use that Z bracket if you're mounting that battery backup to the fixture. And of course, this can also be found on the spec sheet as well. This fixture is really great for just about any application. We've seen it in like almost any place that you have a high or a low bay application is perfect for. And as I mentioned, 120 to 277, 120 to 347, and 277 all the way up to 480 volts. Now, by the way, the 120 to 347 option does come with a 10-foot external cord included. There is no plug. That is the only one that comes with that 10-foot external cord. Now you have 4 fixed wattages ranging from 90 to 240 watts, as well as 4 power set options, each providing 3 lumen stops. There's also a fixed CCT of either 4,000 or 5,000, or there's also that field set option too, allowing you to select from 4,000 or 5,000 K upon install. As I mentioned, this is control ready, which is a major key feature of this product. It does have that screw-in receptacle that allows anyone to easily add standalone or network lighting controls. Just refer to the spec sheet for available options for that. And keep in mind, in some cases, you may need to use a screw-in Z10 receptacle that basically just makes that screw-in receptacle, basically it converts it to a Z10 receptacle. And I'll talk about that in just a little bit. There are battery backups also available. Another key feature are the multiple mounting options. Now, of course, it does come with V-hooks and aircraft cables, but you can order chain, surface, pendant, or threaded rod mount kit as well. Now, this is already available. It comes in actually a 6 kV surge protection that comes with it, but you can get an additional 20 kV as an optional addition. If you want to, just refer to the spec sheet on how to order that. 0 to 10 volt dimming with dim to off driver, 90-degree beam angle. There is 1 1/2 inch knockout on each end. It does have an impact resistant polycarbonate lens, and it will operate all the way down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about -40 C, all the way up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 50 C. And then also it's compatible with EiKO standalone and network lighting control solutions via that screw-in receptacle, or of course the 1/2 inch knockout. Certifications include UL listed for US and Canada, FCC, RoHS, ICES 005 compliant, DLC premium, damp location, and as far as controls go, it does offer 0 to 10 volt dimming. It is controls ready. Field set and power set are optional, and it also comes with a 5-year warranty. So since I mentioned controls ready a couple of times, I just wanted to show you kind of what that looks like and how you easily add, in this case, network lighting controls. So let's say that you are using this fixture on the LH1 or any of these fixtures that you see here. All of these do have a screw-in receptacle. And so in order to convert this to a Z10 receptacle where you can easily then add network lighting controls, you will need to add this little component. And this basically just converts the screw into a Z10 to a slot type of receptacle instead. And then from there, again, from a network lighting control perspective, you can choose whether or not you want a fixture controller, or if you want a fixture controller with sensor, if you also need a range extender or range extender with time keeper. And then of course, if you want to add any wireless controls or wall controls as well. That is as easy as what it is to be able to convert any of these fixtures that you see here, including the LH1, to a network lighting control solution. So just to give you a real life example, let's say that you have a warehouse and you want to use the LH1. This, of course, has that screw-in receptacle, as I mentioned. So you have to purchase the fixture, and then you purchase the adapter, and then you would also purchase whatever wireless fixture controller. In this case, we're showing it with a wireless fixture controller with sensor. And of course, it would be one of each of those per fixture. Everything easily attaches to the fixture. Then you just use the free iOS software powered by Silvair to set your zones, your occupancy, high-end trim, low-end trim. And of course, if you want to do some basic end-node scheduling, you can also do that as well. If you have any questions about this video, you can certainly reach out to me at lynette.schaefer@eiko.com. And I hope you enjoyed this video.